welcome back to my channel. This is Mama G, and for today's video guys, we're going to try this pantyhose or tights from Calzedonia. Okay, so I saw this one with a mannequin and I fell in love. I love this type. Never tried yet because I want to try with you guys. Okay, so this is the new design from Calzedonia. So later on guys, I'm gonna switch my outfit. So with this, okay, I'm gonna show you guys because now I am wearing just, you know, like pajama. I'm just comfortable with this outfit. I'm just home, so yeah, I just want to feel comfortable. Okay, so later on I'm gonna look at this. So this is what I'm going to wear, and boots. Okay, so yes, are you guys ready? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so this is the new design guys, look at this. So yeah, so this is the new design from Calzedonia. So as you can see, the diamond shining bright like a diamond. Okay, so I'm gonna wear it. Okay, here we go. Just look at like this. We will try like this. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. It's more beautiful when you try with your legs, so I can't wait. I love Calzedonia. Oh, just be careful, oh my god. I love Calzedonia. My tights are from Calzedonia. Okay, so I am ready to wear this. Okay, so one, two, three. Okay, so this is the tights from Calzedonia guys. So I think it's good to go there so you guys can see it properly. Let's go there. So that's it guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and see you again on my next vlog. Bye!